How to add disappearing photo in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram app and wondering on how to send the photos which disappears after a certain time, then don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application, just like this. After opening the app, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to send the disappearing photo, simply choose one of the chats where you want to send it. And then here you can find this link option right here at the bottom. Select it. Then choose one photo which you want to send, just like this. Then here you can find the arrow button which is now facing upward right here. Now simply keep on tapping on it, just like this. Now here you can find send with timer. Then select it. Now choose the time where you want your photo to disappear, just like this. Choose one of the time, then tap on to send with timer, then select it. Now you can see it has been sent, and now in 20 seconds this photo will be disappeared. And that's it. This is how you can add the disappearing photo in Telegram. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.